Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me for another demonstration today. We're going to be using some of our latest stamps that we released during our Hallaganza event. So I've got my Multifarious card here and we've got 3 of our elements range. So we've got violet chalk, we've got Della blue and we've got graphite, and I'm going to be spritzing those from the mat and picking the colour up with the Multifarious card, which is quite a nice technique. It just gives you that really nice sort of watercolour background, and it's just easy to do. So let's just start with some of the Della blue and a little bit of the violet chalk and a small amount of graphite because it's quite a dark colour. So we've gone for more of the lighter colour. Spritz that and then we're just picking up that colour. And if you've got any gaps, don't worry too much about that. We can always use the stencil brush a little later on to fill those areas in. Okay, so I'm going to just pop a little bit of water over the top of that. And it just breaks the colour up slightly. You can even use your fingertips and you can create some really nice effects. Just move that colour about. So quick and easy, and you've got that lovely background full of texture and colour. So let's make sure that that is completely dry. Okay, quick bend of the card, get that back into shape. Now where I'm going to be stamping our lovely fairy, we need it to be a little bit lighter. So I've got a couple of the pan pastels here, and all I'm going to do is pick up the white to start with and pop that down. Still got a little bit of the yellow on, but that's fine because I was going to use the yellow as well. So let's just pop that there. And then we're going to stamp over the top. So inking up in the VersaFine Clair, make sure that that's completely covered. Just shine it towards the light and you'll be able to see if you've missed anything. And then we're going to pop him down in the centre. Give that a good press. And there he is. And then taking one of our hill masks, I'm just going to pop that over his feet. And then using a stencil brush and the graphite, I'm going to just go over the edge. And this will just ground our fairy. Like so. And then I'm going to go around the edge. all the way around. There we go. Okay, so now I've got one of our other new stamps. This is our jip, and I'm going to ink up this time in a purple. We've got our monarch. So ink up, and I'm just going to pop that down next to him, like so. And again, a little bit more down there, and we'll do one on this side too. Now I'm going to use a little bit of the Bermuda, just want a hint of colour down here. These colours, they all work so well together, as you can see. So I really am just highlighting our lovely fairy in the centre there. If we want to add a little bit more, we can always use one of our pencils. These are our pastel pencils. Just wanted to bring in a little bit more colour. Like so. It's all the detail I think makes a big difference to something, to a card. You know, Posca pens, things like that, they make a big difference. Just those finishing touches. So I've got my words here. I'm going to ink those up in the twilight. And let's just pop that down at the top there. And over on that side. I'm going to stamp off on that one and just have that very faintly in the background as well. Okay, so let's just go back to our pan pastels, and I'm just going to bring in a little bit of mist. Down at the bottom there. And then our Posca pens. So let's have a look what colours. I might go with a little bit of orange. And some yellow. And we're going to have a little bit of white coming in from the side, just like a little bit of snowfall coming in. And got our glue pen here as well, so I'm just popping a few dots in that same direction. And I've got Turkish Delight, so let's put a bit of that over the top. I'll just brush a little bit off our fairy so we can see him, but you can see that lovely glitter on how it's stuck to that background. It gives it such a lovely finish. So that's it for now, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed today's video, and I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. Don't forget the pan pastels or the pencil crayons that I've been using today, just to add that little bit of detail. It makes all the difference. Take care and see you soon. Bye for now.